One of the key questions at the department at the moment is related to understanding future city life. Possibilities to improve the strength of cities, the resilience of cities, and also choices for people within cities.
The development industry in London is quite well known now, it's booming at the moment, and therefore it's a very exciting place to learn about the built environment and to study the built environment.
What I liked about this university is that they had specifically a master focused on logistics and supply chain management, which I think that both parts are really important for big companies.
My work is about strategic planning, transport planning, and looking at London as a whole, as a network. So for me, it feeds into the course quite well.
We've been able to do projects in different countries. Currently our lecturers have been able to work in them, and through their experience and their knowledge, their work, we've been able to understand these places better.
We're doing work in Nigeria right now about master planning, so I can use some of the skills I'm learning from that to this.
When I was researching planning courses, it was imperative that any course I was looking at would be accredited, and that means that you can use that degree to help you become a chartered planner.
We've had quite a number of different professionals coming in and giving us lectures, and from them we see and we learn what they're currently doing out in the industry of whether it be planning or urban design.
The teaching is informed by the research that we're doing. Within transport we've got quite a range of research expertise. I've got colleagues who work on air transport, freight, public transport, accessibility, and my own focus is cycling.
Even our lecturers, they've been able to sort of support us and say, if you need any apprenticeships or any work opportunities, we're able to support you in that.
London is a large city, but at the same time it's actually seen as a world leader in transport innovation.
It's a blend of history and contemporary architecture. One side there's a modern architecture and one side you have got a rich history.
We've got a very good public transport network. We've also got a lot of work going into cycling at the moment, and a lot of work going into accessibility, which is really the new direction that transport planning is going, and we can see it out on the streets in London.
Because we're able to go out and meet industry professionals, it obviously puts us in a leading position once we go into the workforce.
Planning policy and planning policy guidance in particular can change on a week-to-week basis, and some of the staff have previous experience in policy formation.
We've been very fortunate that we've been able to have a number of students from different parts of the world, which again has made the course very international.
So it's a broad diversity of different backgrounds, different age groups. It's richer as a result. My priority for the future is to get a job in the public sector, specifically in development management. And I think the skills that I've gained on this course will be really beneficial towards getting the most out of a career.